So hey guys, welcome back to my new fresh playlist of A1 crash course, and today is our part 1, and today we are going to cover all about the alphabetics and pronunciation in German language. Okay, so if you are new to the channel guys, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And if we talk about why to subscribe my channel, so basically whenever we upload the video that you get a notification, and just you remember that this is the guy who teaches the German and we have to learn the German language, and we will upload the videos daily and we will learn the daily German language. Okay, so let's see about the A to Z in the German language. Okay, so basically like the alphabetics, like the English alphabetics, there are the German language, there are the German alphabetics also, and there are also 26 alphabetics like the English, and just we will see one by one about the pronunciation in German language. Okay, so if we talk about the requirements, so first of all we have to maintain a consistency and we have to prepare a particular notes, and we have to practice it daily, or we have to revise it daily once in the day. Okay, so let's start the crash course. Okay, so these are the letters and below that there is an pronunciation, and just I will pronounce the letters and just focus it and just hear it clearly and just try to pronounce it. Okay, A, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Just we will revise once. Okay, let's revise once. As A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, these were the alphabetics in the German language, and just take any screenshot of this picture and just try to pronounce it properly, and just we will meet in the next video guys. So if you're new to the channel, please like, share and subscribe our video to get a notification about the video whenever I get upload.